Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the app of YouTube. We will go to settings. Then we click on apps. After that we will search the app YouTube. And we click. Then we will on for stop. After that we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, turn your phone and you will recharge your phone again. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.